Nice and clean cut, yeah? Great, then so hit on those tight. Rub it up. Thanks.
Between the ribs of stainless steel, raw cane is squeezed with relentless weight. Juice beads along the grooves, glinting like molten gold. Gravity guides it down a brushed steel spout, a ribbon of sweetness warm and alive.
Inside the spinning drum, hot syrup is flung across a perforated wall. Cooling and motion coax molecules to lock together. Tiny crystals appear first, then build on one another, growing sharp and precise. In slow motion, you can see them break free,